guys, we are going to play asking questions with one word answer related to the adapting technology with a twist jumbled letter challenge. So the mechanics is, I'm going to present the jumbled letters in the screen, then they are going to answer the question that I'm asking for. Then pag maka-correct sila sa ilang answer is magbunot sila sa ilang para sa ilang reward or prize, which is this money kung sa inyo makita diha sa screen right now. Then pag dili nila ma-correct ang answer is matik na nga mumudmud sila din. That's all guys. Let's go. Let's go. I just want to remind you all guys that this is not scripted. So this question is only ako lang ang nakabalo. So I have here questions and I'm going to time 5 seconds, only 5 seconds lang. For the first question, which device is used to project images onto a screen? Again, which device is used to project images onto a screen?
Projector.
Okay, that is correct.
Sige, ikaw na. 50!
Wow! Next question. What is a software application used for graphic design? What is a software application used for graphic design? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is a software application used for graphic design?
1, photo, edit.
Again, what is a software application used for graphic design? What is a software application used for graphic design? 1, 2,
Photo,
3.
Photoshop!
Which platform is used for sharing and discovering music?
Huh?
Which platform is used for sharing and discovering music? 1, 2, 3, 4. For the last question, name a software used for creating and editing documents. Name a software used for creating and editing documents.
Microsoft Word.
That is correct! Wow! So, last one.
Wait lang, mag-outro na. Nang finalita na. Okay, go.